Hi guys, and welcome to St. Jude's Woodcraft. It's my first video back in a while. Today we're going to be doing a bit of metal work instead of woodwork, but I'll be making a bracelet out of this bit of copper pipe. It's about 5 inches long. It's very basic tools needed. You can have a go at home if you like, but I'll speed the video up in places just so that you don't get too bored. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, hit the notification button, and yeah, leave some comments below. Thanks for watching. Okay, so now on to the first annealing phase. Annealing is just heating the metal up so it becomes workable again. Copper goes to quite a high heat, so you need a blowtorch for this, and we've got a soldering block here. And you always want to have something you can pick it up with in your dominant hand. Move it around and use the torch in your left or your non-dominant hand.
What you're looking for is a nice orange glow coming off the flame.
The flame is starting to go orange, and that's when you know your copper's annealed. So you just want to get that orange glow going all the way down. There we go. As you can see, orange flame all the way down the metal. I know that piece is annealed, so then we've got to quench this in water. So the metal is now a lot more pliable. I mean, you can push it with your hands closed a little bit, but it'll be easier to hammer now. So we go back to the block and start hitting it. As you can see, the metal is flattening off a lot quicker than it was earlier, so that means I've annealed it well. So that's the first fold done. I'm going to anneal it again and fold this side over so it's the same. I won't record those steps because it'd be much like what you've just seen, and I'll cut the video here, and you can join me when I've done the other fold. So as you can see, I've done the same on the other side, and we've got a nice channel running down the centre of it now. It's been annealed and quenched in water. Now I want to add texture with a ball peen hammer, and I'll just give it a whack, and I'll start leaving nice dents everywhere. You can see there. I'll do that all over. So I'll carry on with that. I'll speed up the camera just a bit. As you can see, he's now got a nice texture all over. Next step is to anneal it again because it's work hardened, I can't bend it, and to shape the edges so they don't catch and it's more comfortable to wear. Once you've sawn off both ends, it's time to file them down, make them smooth, and so it's more comfortable for the wearer. So I've wrapped it up in some kitchen towel now just to protect the surface. I'm going to use a set of half round pliers just to start giving it some shape, start bending it the way I want it. So I'm going to go from the ends, making sure I've got it the right way around. It'd be quite difficult to start going, but once you start, as soon as you get the shape that you want. So that's the main bodywork of this bracelet done. As you can see, it's still got a fire scale on it, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pickle it. I'm going to fire scale it and put some finishing touches to it, and I'll leave some photos after this video. But thank you for watching if you've got this far. I'm Jude from St. Jude's Woodcraft, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you've liked the video. There'll be more videos on wood carving and more metalwork, silver, smithing coming soon, and also some videos on bushcraft, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.